Nora, what are you eating?
It's probably dancing.
That's a worm?
It's dancing?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep. Well, hold him. It's my worm. It's your face.
You see his
It's
face?
my favorite.
Yeah.
Wow, look,
Oh, what's his name?
He's jiggling around. Here, you want him?
What's the worm's name, Nora?
Look at that. It's doing around.
What's his name?
Put your eye. It's at your own. I'll put you at your own.
Oh boy, why don't you eat him?
Can you eat the worm?
It's at your own. No.
I ate him.
Do you like to eat worms? You eat a worm, Nora.
This worm. See? It's your ear. Why to put on your finger? It's on your finger.
Oh boy, I'm gonna eat him.
You can eat him too?
Girl, look at this. Look at this.